Hey, how's it going, everyone? It's Martin Ross, and today I'm going to do a product review on the Mackie CR3X-BT. Alright, before we get into it, you know the drill. Please check out all the links in the description. Also, most important, hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know about what kind of speakers you use. Also, hit the subscribe button, click the bell so that way you get updates straight to your device. Most important, share it to somebody that might be interested in these speakers. So without further ado, let's unbox and review. Alright, so I have the CR3X-BT speakers. So the reason why I use speakers like this is I used to have the M Audio, I believe it's the AV30s. They finally went out on me and I was like, dang, I need some travel speakers. So I won't go into big detail. I might make a separate video on that, but for me, these are travel speakers. So if I go with my job, sometimes I have to be in a hotel. So usually I want to be able to take off the headphones and just listen to, you know, my demos or my beats or my quick recordings I do on the fly. I have like a portable studio, so that way, you know, I can still do work while I'm away from home. And having small speakers, 3 inches, should work. It does the job for a reference. I wouldn't per se use them for mixing, but the idea is there. And I miss my M Audio's AV3s, but it's time to move on to the Mackie. I've used Mackie products in the past, and I've really enjoyed them. So I figured, why not? And this has a Bluetooth feature, though I've never used Bluetooth to listen through, you know, my playback, but I'm gonna give it a shot. So let's open this up. Before we do open this up, the things that it comes with is the speakers, of course. It comes with your RCA cable, a RCA to an 1/8 inch jack, and a speaker to speaker cable. So in the back you'll have the two you know, copper wires that you have to plug in to connect from left to right, and that's what it has. Also, let's talk about what is in, like, what the features there are. So it's used for home studios, content creators, gaming, and more. Let's talk about the design, okay? It's about 50 watts, 3-inch woofer there. Let's see. Can't wait to listen to it. All right, I'm gonna open it up. First things first, we have the manual. Obviously we have our foam padding, and here are our speakers. This would be, usually the right is the one that has the power. And it will say in the bag. Yeah, it'll be the right. And the left is what we call the dummy. Here's your RCA, and you with the 1/8 inch, and then the speaker cable. All right, let me put this away before I cut myself here. And here are our speakers. All right, go ahead and open these. I have a weird thing about opening new stuff. I like to smell them. I don't know, it's weird, huh? Let's see what it smells like, brand new. Nice, nice, nice. All right, so here's your speakers. Look pretty good. Looks like you have, I would assume this is the on and off rotary knob. You have your headphone jack. All right, the back, let's take a look at the back. Now in the back, you could tell what position each speaker is. So you could say this speaker could be a right or a left. You have, nice, you have 1/4 inch inputs. That's really cool. And then you have your balanced RCA. You have your passive speaker output, which is what you'll use for the copper wire, and then obviously the switch on off. So take a look at the back here. I'll try to zoom in on the video. All right, so I like what I see here. The finish is nice. These feel quality. they feel really good. It's kind of heavy. It doesn't feel weak or, you know, cheap. So without further ado, I'm gonna connect this to my laptop. I'm gonna hear what this sounds like. So I will be right back. All right, so after reading the manual, you're supposed to press and hold. All right, it's green, perfect. You'll see CR3X-BT to connect. We are connected, nice. Okay, all right. So in my DAW, which is Studio One, I went into my audio selection and I selected the CRX Bluetooth, and I'm gonna hear what it sounds like. All right, so I loaded up a song that has heavy, like low end, so I wanna test these bad boys out. Here we go. That's so cool, all right. Okay, the tops are good. Wow. That is not bad, yo. All right, and there you have it. The CRX, the name that I got is a CR3X-BT. They're Bluetooth speakers. I have the power connected to the strip, and then I have the, you know, the right connected to the left. And my golly, these knock. These are really good speakers. I'm really impressed for these 3-inch speakers. This is awesome, and it's the first time I've used Bluetooth as a playback device. I think that's so cool, y'all. Man, if you are looking for a travel speaker set and you want something to throw with you on the go, just imagine you just need to hear some stuff. Oh man, this is nice. I'm really happy with this purchase. I purchased this for about $130. Totally worth it. Man, and I'm not, just be clear, I'm not sponsored by Mackie at all. This is not a sponsor video. This is actually just me trying to test out, you know, content creation here for you and reviewing what I get, so you know that what I'm using I'm actually enjoying, and I'm really feeling these speakers. I would say get them. Go ahead and get them. It's the fact that you have Bluetooth, just in case you want to throw your phone, you got a quick thing. Hey, I want to, you know, connect to the, you know, phone. Oh man, that is awesome. That is just, I'm feeling it, yo. So this is Martin Ross reviewing the CR3X-BT speakers. Go get them. If you're looking for something very small, compact to travel with, go get them. These things are amazing. If you like the video, leave a like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Also, those links, check those links in the description. Also, hit the subscribe button, click the bell, and make sure you share a video to somebody that wants some speakers. Man, I'm feeling this. This is Martin Ross reviewing the Mackie CR3X-BT. Y'all have a great day.